Hey friends, today I'm sharing 10 of the designer's best kept secrets that you can easily use in your home. Professional designers have few key rules and clever tricks to make any home look amazing. And trust me, you can style your home easily without spending a dime on a designer. One essential technique they use is good contrast, which creates balance between opposites and keeps the space lively and interesting. When your room is all in one color or texture, it can fall flat and dull. Good contrast is that one trick that makes different elements pop, giving the room more depth and interest. It should always go like light and dark colors, soft and rough textures, bold shapes with simple ones to create a balanced look. As you might have noticed that a dark rug looks good on a light wood floor, or how shiny metal decor looks interesting if kept next to a soft cozy sofa. Even the subtle details like dark picture frame on a white crisp wall or a warm blanket draped over a sleek chair, these contrasts work together to balance a room, which makes it feel both inviting and visually balanced. You guys, I feel like keeping your space clutter-free really makes a difference. It definitely feels cleaner and more calming. Removing unnecessary things open up the room and lets you see things properly. Piling up things just create clutter. Over the years, I realized that being thoughtful about what I bring into my home makes a big difference. I used to shop as a way to feel better, but now staying intentional helps me avoid buying decorations I really don't need. I remember my coffee table used to be a mess, always covered with books, remotes, and random stuff. I have learned that sticking to just one or two meaningful items, like a beautiful bowl or a favorite book, can really change the look. It gives everything a space to stand out, making the table feel cleaner. You can apply this idea throughout your home, on shelves, nightstands, or kitchen counters to have a more organized and relaxed feel in your home. When each item in a room has its purpose, everything feels more calm and stylish. You guys, I understand it's really tempting to just focus on aesthetics when you're decorating, but it's really important to design with everyday life in mind. You see, a beautiful home is nice, but it won't serve you well if it doesn't meet your everyday needs. So it's practical to consider how you use your space and what items are necessary for your routine. I found it super helpful to have a sofa with washable cover. I love reading, so I have set up a comfortable sofa with a good light and a small bookshelf to create that cozy nook. It's all about designing your space for real life. And also I realize that my entrance often get cluttered with shoes and bags. So for that, I decided to add hooks for the door. This simple change really helped me keep everything organized and made coming home a lot less chaotic. You can also bring warmth and character to your space by mixing old and new styles. I really love this idea because it adds history to a room and gives that lived-in kind of feel. For example, you can put a modern sofa next to a vintage coffee table. The modern sofa feels clean and fresh, while the vintage table adds the charm and the story to a room. You can also add some old accessories like a classic lamp or a framed photo to a room with modern furniture. These old pieces stand out and makes the space feel more personal. I always prefer natural materials when decorating any space. Unlike synthetic materials, wood, stone, and cotton brings unique looks and texture to a room. Plus, natural materials are durable, so they not only just beautify your home but last a long time. You can always place a wooden coffee table or a few woven baskets in your living room. One thing I like about wood is that it creates a nice balance between sleek and modern furniture. And you can always add a touch of life and color to the room by adding potted plants on the shelves or maybe in the corner. With natural materials, your room will feel friendly and relaxed because each piece adds its own special touch. The next part of the equation is to understand proper lighting. Good lighting can really change the way a room feels. Soft yellow lights makes a space feel cozy, while bright lights bring a very cheerful vibe. To create a warm and inviting feel through lights, start with ceiling lights to brighten the whole space, then add table or floor lamps for reading or relaxation, and you can use accent lights like wall lights or spotlights to highlight pictures or special features of the room. This layered lighting will help you shift the vibe of your room no matter it's evening or daytime. Just like lighting, mirrors can do wonders too, but when used strategically. If you thoughtfully plan and position them to reflect natural daylight, mirrors can make your room feel both larger and brighter. Like, they can be a great addition to your reading nook. Because of the warm light from your lamp, the space will feel even cozy. They can also draw attention to your artwork or family photos. A great idea would be if you put a decorative mirror above a table in your entryway. This would give a very good first impression. Adding personalized art makes a powerful statement. It doesn't matter if it's a bright painting, a calming photo, or a fun sculpture, art can bring feelings and start conversations. Just few things that art needs to be hung at eye level and arranged thoughtfully because it enhances your space and allow guests to fully appreciate the effort and creativity. The most authentic advice anyone could give you is to not chase trends. I understand it's fun to try new styles, but chasing every trend can make your home feel messy and not really you. Instead of worrying about what's the current trend, focus on what you love. This way, your home will feel more comfortable and it will look good for a long time. A simple mix of grays, blues, and whites with wooden furniture creates a peaceful, timeless space that will always look good. By choosing what you like over what's trendy, you can make your home feel special and last for years. Another great way to personalize your home is with still life styling. It's a fun way to display your favorite items and add character to any room. You can arrange items like books, candles, and plants to create a cozy space. For example, stack colorful books with a small plant and a candle on top. Mixing different heights and textures like a smooth vase and a wooden bowl adds interest and warmth. Using still life styling process can turn everyday items into beautiful displays that feels artistic and special. If you found today's tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.